Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch.
Castigate, verb, castigation, castigator, to criticize someone or something severely. Precedent, noun and adjective, precedence, precedency, precede, a previous instance of a comparable event or phenomenon, a case that serves to validate similar events in the future. Case in point, a rule created based on previous court rulings. Case law, common law, a previously referenced topic, an individual or object that acts as an example. Precedent, adjective, earlier in time, sequence, or importance. The manager castigated the employee for repeatedly arriving late to work. The professor castigated a student for plagiarizing parts of their essay. The coach castigated the team for their poor performance in the championship game. The CEO castigated the board members for their lack of foresight in the company's expansion plans. In the past, some parents would castigate their children physically for misbehavior. The medieval church would often castigate heretics through public humiliation and torture. The ascetic sought to castigate his soul through fasting and prayer. The knight vowed to castigate his thoughts of worldly pleasures. The editor castigated the manuscript, removing all errors and improving its clarity. The scholar castigated the ancient text, restoring it to its original form. The employee faced harsh castigation from the manager for repeatedly missing deadlines. The journalist earned a reputation as a castigator of corrupt politicians. The court's decision set a new legal precedent for future cases involving digital privacy. The judge followed the precedent established by a previous ruling in a similar case. The company's innovative approach to remote work could serve as a precedent for other businesses. By organizing the first virtual conference, the team set a precedent for future events. The ancient treaty served as a precedent for modern diplomatic agreements. The precedent of celebrating national holidays was established centuries ago. By apologizing publicly, the politician set a precedent for accountability in public office. The teacher's decision to allow retakes set a precedent that other educators might adopt. The groundbreaking research set a precedent for future studies in the field of genetics. The academic journal published a precedent-setting article on climate change. In emergency situations, saving lives takes precedence over property damage. The ambassador was given precedence over other diplomats at a state function. In the new project, the precedency of user experience design was clear from the start. The country became more conservative in the years that preceded his election.